Tired of staring at that Steam wishlist and a zero balance? I'm about to show you how to turn your Google Play credits into gaming gold. First, confirm you have a Google Play balance. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Look for Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Payments and Subscriptions. This will lead you to a new menu with multiple options related to payment. Now, tap on Payment Methods. Here, you'll see your current Google Play balance displayed. Make sure you have enough funds to cover the game you want to buy on Steam, plus any applicable taxes or fees. Unfortunately, Steam doesn't directly accept Google Play balance as a payment method. So, we need a middleman. We're going to use a gift card app. There are many apps, but we are showing one way. Head back to the Google Play Store and search for an app called Gameflip and install it. This app allows you to buy gift cards using your Google Play balance. Once installed, open Gameflip and create an account. Then, browse or search for Steam gift card. Select the denomination that best suits your needs and budget. Make sure the seller is reputable. When you proceed to checkout, select Google Play balance as your payment method. You may be prompted to verify your identity or approve the transaction within the Google Play Store. After successful payment, Gameflip will provide you with a Steam wallet code. Carefully copy this code. Be very careful, copy and paste or write it down correctly. Now, open the Steam client on your computer. Click on your username in the top right corner and select Account Details. On the Account Details page, click on Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Select Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Enter the Steam wallet code you received from Gameflip and click Continue. Congratulations! Your Steam wallet is now loaded with the gift card amount. You can now use these funds to purchase any game on Steam. Go ahead and browse the Steam store, add the games you want to your cart, and check out using your Steam wallet balance. Happy gaming!